Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Today we will make something sweet that children love to eat so much. That is a chocolate. We have here two bowls and a white compound and a dark compound. And here we have chocolate block. If you do not have the chocolate block, you can use the freezer's ice maker. Now first we'll take some white compound and make it small pieces. See, like this. Now we will use that compound. Now we'll melt this. So before melting it, we have to see that the surface of the bowl could not touch the water. And we have to stir it nicely. Or you can put in the oven also for 30 seconds. Now I will put this in the oven. Now I will keep it for 30 seconds. Now this white compound is melting slowly. You have to stir it because it could not stick. Now in the oven is done, we will remove it. Now I have to see that the chocolate is melting or not. It will be melt slowly. Just stir it. Now I have given here hot water. And this chocolate I have given it for 10 seconds again. And if it is not melting, we have to keep it on this. Then it will melt slowly. See, it is melting. Is melted. Now the two syrups are melted. Now we'll put in this. Chocolate. If you have to make the two layers, you can just put some chocolate or you put it slowly. Now I'm making here 2 layers. I have put in some chocolate in this. Then I will put white compound. Put it slowly in this. Now I'll take some white compound. Now I'll make some design. Before making design, we have to tap it like this. Now I'll make some design. This is how any type of design you can make. Now I'm putting some decoration. Like this. You can put any type of design you want. See? Like this, you can make any type of design you want. See, I have made here some cactus design, and any dolls design you can make like that, or any butterflies you wanted. Now I have done decorating. Now I'll keep this in the freezer. I will keep this for 1 or 2 hours in the freezer. Okay, now the chocolates are ready. I will remove it. Remove it all. See how chocolates are yummy. Now all the chocolates are removed. If you have to decorate, you can decorate with these, like this. With chocolate or anything. See, like this. See, now this is decorate. Now if you have to wrap these in the wrapper, you can wrap it, but now it is Corona, so you can wrap in these, the wrap paper. Very good. See, like this you can wrap and just give children and can celebrate the festivals or any new year like that. Okay, now my chocolates are done. You can see, and I have decorated in a plate. And bye, stay home, stay safe. I hope you like this video, and bye.